Good afternoon, I'm JAE-YONG and this is Embedded System Assignment-6. And let's see my RC car. This is hardware connection. So as a lecture slides, I connect the ENA with the PA23 and ENB to PA19. And I used in1 to in4 into the digital pin 8 to 11 with the simplest way. And here's the VIN to VMS here and ground to ground. So, and let's see how it works. Yeah. This is my Terraterm window. I just set the configuration like this as my professor got it. And let's press the 1. So, yeah, it works, and the 1 is output like this. And let's press the 2. And it goes to backward, and when it goes to 3, it sounds like cars like speed up more, and let's go to 4. Yes, and we have 3 more. Turn left is number 5. As you can see, the right peel speed up and the left peel slow down so that it goes to the left. And 6 is the turn right as opposite, so the left peel goes fast and the right peel goes slow down. And lastly, we push the 7 stop. Yes, it perfectly worked. And now we goes into the code. The first is the PWM speed configuration. So I set the top as a 1000 and the minimum as a 0. And when we press the speed up or speed down, the turn delta is 250. And these are pin configuration. As we use the D8 to D11, so this is a pin group 0, PA 6 to 7, 18 and 16 each. So yes, and let's directly go into the main function. First of all, system init and general click configuration and UART setup and ports and PWM. And in the while loop, we have to the print hours menu like this. And also we have to handle our command, which is 1 to 7. So this implemented by this. So let's see the clock function, setup function. This is kind of a default and basic way. We use the OSC 8 million as our oscillator, and yes, we use the general clock general number 0 and bring the source from the OSC 8 million. And next, UART. Since we have to use the PB22 and PB23 as our debug, and this is a Sarcom IO, so that you have to pin config like this. We have to use the pin mux and set the function D to use our Sarcom IO, so like this. And then we have to set the clock into the Sarcom. And lastly, bring the general clock to Sarcom like this. Both of the core clock and the slow clock. And then this is the standard configuration in our case. So, and then the port is very as usual. Since we have a 4-port to from 6 to PA60, so like this. And this is the PWM setup. In this case, we have to set the clock as we before, and yeah, the clock setup. So we keep going, and let's see the here print menu. So we use the use output as function to print the Terraterm terminal, and this is the handle command function. And first we have to echo the user's input into the Terraterm terminal. So use the use output C function. And this is the switch case. If we press the number 1, this means it goes in forward. So direction forward and turn on. Yes, other things are very similar. And lastly, vehicle apply state function. Let's see vehicle apply state. It's here. So it branches by the direction. It's in turn mode. This is the real action function of the RC car. Yes, thank you.